In this series, we're going to learn about the Build and Edit tool, which is the scripting feature of Cmix. The Build and Edit tool is the heart of the Cmix system because it is where you will actually construct and edit your survey. We'll give you a brief navigation overview, as well as show you how to add questions, update response option randomizations, add question level skip or display logic, add logical options such as terminations, and or larger skips for larger page paths. We'll show you how to put in basic quotas, and we'll also show you how to access the theme card and update the theme of your survey. While this video is focused on the core survey scripting techniques you will need to get started, you'll also find details on more advanced techniques including images and concept testing in separate sessions.